Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back and welcome to the weekend. Just a lovely stretch of weather. Today we pushed 80 degrees. This weekend will favor upper 70s with a little bit more cloud cover and a little bit of a wind coming from the Gulf of Mexico, which should act as a little bit of a cooling factor. But overall, not a bad looking weekend. A mixture of clouds and sun tomorrow, maybe more clouds Sunday, but by and large a dry weekend until rain chances arrive on Monday, and they're not too terribly high for Monday at that. So let's take a look at the big picture across the lower 48. We have active weather in the west, more snow at elevation from the west coast into the Rockies. It's been one heck of a ski season just about anywhere, any mountain west of the Mississippi. Also pretty good ski season ongoing right now, although blizzard conditions up toward Mount Washington and the higher elevations of New Hampshire and Vermont and upstate New York. But this system will be moving out to sea, but still some snow out there for sure. And this weather system that's moving out of the Rockies will eventually deliver a weak frontal boundary to our area on Monday. That's going to spark scattered showers, maybe a few thunderstorms on Monday, but we're not overly concerned with any kind of severe weather threat for that stretch of the imagination, nor are we expecting much rainfall. And we've been pretty dry and drier than normal, only 47% of rainfall so far for this year going back to January 1st. But fair skies, we enjoyed the weather today, and with the fair skies continuing over the next couple of hours, we have a nice view of the International Space Station that'll be moving overhead this evening. It appears as a bright star in the sky and will be the brightest object in the sky. The moon doesn't rise until around 9 o'clock tonight. Look to the southwest at about 7:44. So set your phone alarms. That's what I do, so I don't forget. Set it just a minute or two ahead of time. And we'll be able to see for about 5 minutes. It'll be coming at a max angle of 63 degrees, which is just about overhead. And that's probably going to be right about 7:46. We'll get the numbers straight. But between 7:44 and 7:49, right in the middle of those two time frames, right at 7:46 and 30 seconds, that was what I was trying to say. But look for that this evening. Should be nice to see. Temperatures today, upper 40s to lower 50s, got into the upper 70s, touching 80 briefly. Still very warm in Lafayette, but starting to cool off quickly as that sun gets lower in the sky. Calm winds offshore, like glass out there. That stays that way through tomorrow, but then picks up. One issue we're looking at is the threat of patchy dense fog developing by morning. The RPM model has been on this for the last 3 runs, so we got to go with some fog by morning. It won't last long, burns off quickly, and then we'll be back to partly sunny to mostly sunny skies early, and then clouds moving in late. So we have that fog layer first thing in the morning, then it burns off, mostly sunny skies for a good part of the day. Clouds begin to increase late tomorrow evening, and more of a southeasterly draw or southerly draw from the Gulf of Mexico means milder temperatures tomorrow night into Sunday morning. Sunday, another nice one, a mixture of clouds and sun, but more clouds than sun, but still a nice one. Temperatures well above where we think the computer models are going. I'm going to go upper 70s for tomorrow and Sunday as well. Moving into Monday, we'll see those rain chances. We'll talk more about that coming up tonight at 10. Temperature-wise, we're going to be in the mid to upper 40s, northern parishes, right near 50 along the I-10 corridor. And the big deal is temperatures meeting up with the dew points. That's why we're going to see that fog threat for tomorrow morning, and lower 50s coastal parishes as well. Then for tomorrow, after that cool start, warming up into the mid to upper 70s, and then tomorrow night we'll hold mostly in the mid 50s, maybe a little patchy fog again for Sunday morning, and then Sunday afternoon I think will be higher than these numbers represent. We'll still go about 77 to 78 for your high. So a nice evening ahead, cooling down nicely. Patchy dense fog in spots by tomorrow morning, 50 your low tomorrow, 78 the high. We'll call it another pleasant day, partly cloudy skies, but again, a sun and cloud mix, especially for the afternoon. And a nice afternoon breeze, a little bit of a tropical breeze. That's going to start to bring the humidity up, and that's why our overnight lows are going to get milder. So as we go through the weekend, a fair bit of cloud cover, but not bad at all. 40% chance of storms or showers, maybe a few storms on Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday look to be gorgeous days. Clouds coming back toward the end of next week, and temperatures warming back up. And the following weekend, although those rain chances are not too terribly high right now, it does look like there'll be a good chance of rain and maybe some some thunderstorms as we go Saturday into Sunday, and then also turning much cooler. Saturday the high, next Saturday 80, and then maybe the high on Sunday will be about 57, and look for those numbers to go up. But again, a 40% chance of rain next Saturday is a lot different than the 40% chance of rain we have on Monday, because it's further away. We don't go as high on the rain chances, because then we'd be shooting more from the hip, which we don't do.
And things change.
And things can change. That is correct.
Very good. Thanks, Rob.